add blue 看得见吗？要说不？看得见吗？开始吗 ？Hello everyone, welcome to my live shows. Today is our fifth days for the 128 fair curtain, and in our these activities, you can when you come to our live shows, we have so many gift benefits coupons or other special activities for you that you can when you buy our products that you can make a big discount for you. For example, like if you order more than $100, you can get our discount for $5. If you buy our products at $500, you can get our $20, and if you buy our more than $1,000, you can get our $100. You can get our $50 discount coupons for you. And if you buy our products arrived at $2,000, you can get our $100 discount coupons when you buy our products. So we have, and in our live shows, we also have so many special benefits gift when you come to our live shows. We will give you by free. The gift is by free. So please come in and visit us that we can show you our many different products for you. And firstly, I want to introduce about our products for you. Today, I want to introduce the fuel dispenser, LPG dispenser, CNG dispenser, and blue dispenser for you. And firstly, let me show you the AdBlue dispenser for you. Firstly, you can see this type is our AdBlue dispenser, and this AdBlue dispenser is for single nozzle. The nozzle you can see in here, it's for the automatic nozzle. And the material in this part and this part is for stainless steels. And the color you can choose this one, blue one, or green one, red color, yellow color, black color, or white color. It's okay. And the hose with basic supply is for 4.5 meters. About the AdBlue dispenser nozzle, we also have so many types. I will show you the details. Another two types. You see, another two types. This type is for the manual nozzle, and the material is full practiced. And this type is also for the automatic nozzle, but this spout is for stainless steels, and this part is for the practiced. The nozzle holder you can choose which one you want. So the AdBlue dispenser, we assembled about the display board for two display board in front and back. You can see the front, the background color is blue, but we also can supply with the white color. You can see this white colors, and the blue and the display board. We have our type is for 886 type with the decimal pointing. But if you want the 664 type, it's okay. But the 664 type is without the decimal pointing. So we recommend you can use the 886 type for the decimal pointing. That you can change the decimal point by yourself. And we put the keyboard in the side, in this side, to make the machine clean and fresh. Also have some external functions like the emergency button, the totalizers in here. And in this side, we put the AdBlue dispenser controller in it. Now let me open this part for you to show you inside. Okay, now inside you see very clearly, right? They have the flow meter. You can see the flow meter, the pump in here. The flow meter, the pump, the AdBlue dispenser controller controls the flow meter and the pump. The flow meter in here, the custom clearance is the material is a custom clear, and the accuracy is for the 5 liter to 6 liter per minute, and the flow rate is for 5 liter to 6 liter per minute, and the accuracy is minus or plus 0.2%. And the pump, you can see we have 3 type pumps. You can choose the practice one, the stainless one, just which one you like. That we can do for you. Okay, the AdBlue dispenser controller we already introduced is almost finished. Now, we also have some different AdBlue dispenser products like AdBlue transform pump and AdBlue transform pump with the tank. The tank we can do for 50 liter to 3,000 liter is okay. 3,000 liter is okay. Just tell us how many capacity or you want us that we can do for you. Okay, now the AdBlue dispenser is finished. Now let's see the fuel dispenser. This type fuel dispenser is our new type, and this type you should know in the market. Only our company produced it, and this type is for 2 nozzle. But if you want more, like 4 nozzle, 6 nozzle, and 8 nozzle, it's okay. We can do for you. And the nozzle, it's also same as the AdBlue dispenser nozzle. It's for the automatical. And this color, you can choose the red, yellow, blue, or green, or white. It's okay. And this spot is for the normal metal. And the connection end, you can the size we basic supply is for 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1.5 inch. Just tell us what kind of size you want. And the nozzle, you can see the nozzle is the same as the AdBlue dispenser nozzle. With basic configuration, the hose is for 4.5 meters, and with the blink away valve. The blink away valves can protect the machines toward the keyboard. The display board, the type is for the 886 type with the decimal pointing. The keyboard, you can see this keyboard is with IC card functions. If you buy the IC card with the keyboard, we recommend you can use our IC card system to use together. And also we have another type for the display for the keyboard. I will show you the other type later. The other type keyboard is without IC card. And also we have some external functions like the TV median. This TV median, the size is 13 inch. But if you want more bigger, we can do for you. And some external functions like emergency button, the totalizers, also have the GPX function. You can see the GPX function can connect with your cell phone or internet directly. When you far away from situations, you can manage your data with your cell phone or your computer directly. It's very convenient. Okay, now inside we put the fuel dispenser controller inside and to control the liquid part. The liquid part, I will open it and show you. Now you can see the liquid part, you can see it. The liquid part including the flow meter, the pump, the solenoid valves, and the motor. The flow meter, we have four types of flow meters and four types of pump you can choose. This type of flow meter is always usually with this type pump. This type we call it gear pump. And this gear pump, the quality is very good and it have a long life service. And it can working at very different working conditions. So usually some customers like its gear pump very much, and the pump, the details, the specification I will show you in our catalog. And you can see this gear pump, the flow rate can arrive at 15 and 45 to 90 liters per minute, and we put inside the parts to improve. So we can now the flow rate we can get 120 liters per minute, 200 liters per minute. Just tell us what you want. And this flow meter. And this flow meter, the discharge rate for per revolutions is for 0.5 liters, and the flow rate it can get 5 to 90 liters per minute. Also, the accuracy can get a minus or plus 0.2%. We have another three types: the gear pump, the pump, and the flow meter. I will show you the catalog. You can see this type we call the van pump. This type we call the van pump, and the van pump. Sorry, the van pump. The flow rate is can arrive at 55 to 90 liters per minute, and the speed can arrive at 630 RPM, and also the working pressure. The working pressure can get at 1.6 to 0.5 bar. And another type of the pump, you can see this pump we also called the gear pump. And the material is the cast iron. This customer is for the aluminum, and this one is for the cast iron. And also this type of pump, some African customers like it very much because it's very heavy and the quality is very good. It can usually used in a very cold or hot environment. So it have a long life service, and also this pump usually used with this pump with flow meter. We use this type flow meter inside this flow meter, and this flow meter the material is also for the cast iron. You can see also cast iron. The accuracy is for minus or plus 0.2%, and the flow rate it can arrive at 5 5 to 6 milliliter per minute. So if you interested in these three types, that that's if you interested that you can do which one you want. Okay, now this one yellow one we call it the solenoid valve. The solenoid valves we have two types. One type is for 1 inch and another type is for 3/4 inch. And also have the 1.5 inch we can supply. And the connection ends we have two types. One is thread and another is the thread. You can choose which one you want. And the motor in motor we have two types. One type is for 220 volts and another type is 380 volts. And you can choose which type of the motor voltage you want. You can according to your voltage, local voltage choose. And if your local voltage is not stable, we can recommend you can use the voltage regulators to make your local voltage stable and safety. And the regulators we also can do for you. Just tell us that you want. Okay. Okay. Now this type fuel dispenser is almost finished. Also here have some when you make a fuel station, stations that maybe you can use the ATG system and the ATG functions. Also, I want to introduce the ATG. I want to introduce the I wanted to introduce the ATG firstly. Okay, now you can see this type. This type we call it the ATG system. Let me open it. Now it's loading to open. And the ATG system, you can detectors how the ATG with the have a long pipeline, and how many meter pipeline that you want you can choose, like 10 meters, 20 meters, 50 meters, 100 meters. It's okay. We all can do for yours. And then when the ATG when you're loading, and the connector with the fuel dispenser situations, then you can know. Yeah. Okay. Now let me see. This the desk table, and this is the home and the setting, the shift, the detecting, and the printer, and the aluminum. You can see. Now let's see the ascent. The screen is for touch. You can use your finger to touch it. And in here, the system language is the English, but the English with the Chinese. But if you only want the English, it's okay. And here I have some you can see the oil setting. You can choose which number the tank you want, and the how many volume and height, and also the working the temperatures. Now come back and also have some and oil and gas detector. About the ATG the system. We also have the eight pieces detectors that you can do, and you can check your data in here, and to know more details, and have the detector settings. Okay, maybe you don't. Maybe in here you can see it very clearly. So I take a videos. Then you can see in our videos to know more details about our ATG system, and it can connect with the computers. Okay, now let's see the video firstly. Then we will come back. Okay. See the video.
Hello, this is the ATG, the console. When you receive it, you can install it like this. This one to be here, and there is a cable to connect the probe. Connect it like this. Here you can see the inside. One tank connect the one line. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 can connect 4 tank. And then let's see the power cable. This is the switch, and this cable is power cable connect here. And this cable connect to the computer. You see, over here. This one, we connect everything for you. And this cable you connect like this. Like this. Then this cable connect like this to here computer, and like this. Okay. And here is one line like here. You should connect to the fuel dispenser controller like this. So, can you see it clear? Here, this line. I just show you. You connect to this one. Okay. This is the complete set we equip for you. Include the ATG probe, the computer, the system we installed in the computer already. So when you receive it, you can use it directly. Then this one. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Okay, now here is the system, gas station system. Okay, double click, then come to here. Then you press the F2, yes. Then come to here, the system setup information, use admin and password 1 to log in. Then here you can see the system configuration, the station information, station ID, station name. You set it by yourself. And here is decimal digits. Your market is 2 decimal point. We set it already. And then shift information. Here you can edit. And user information. Yes. Okay, here you can add the user information and set password by yourself. Then device. Here you can see the oil level serial port, and here is the serial port configuration like this. Please see it clear. And here, okay. Then you set the oil here, the oil ID and the oil name, oil density. You set it according to your working condition, oil price. This you can see 1, 2, 3 because here we set 3 different products. For example, diesel, gasoline, and other product. And then come to tanker. Tanker information you set. You can edit or add tank information here. You also set it according to your working condition, the oil ID, current stock, and the tank information here. Okay, then the nozzle, edit the nozzle, tank ID, nozzle ID, oil name. Okay, you can add or edit. Here is backup information. Okay, then we come back system to see the 3 tank. 回到原来看那个 tank 的信息，罐子的信息，回去看。We come back system to see just now we said 3 tank. Now here you can see here are 3 tanks. The 1, 2, 3. And here, the color is green, means the communication correct. And here you can see the fuel dispenser monitor and the liquid level monitor. The information here. If you have here, we just set 3 tanks. If you have 4 tanks or 5 tanks, you just set it or add it according to your working condition. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, now you know more details about our fuel dispenser and also the fuel dispenser situations with the ATG and the ATG system with the computers. If you're interested, that you can check with us or leave a message that you can that I will set your details to know more more. Okay, now let me see about the LPG dispenser. You can see this type of the LPG dispenser. This type of LPG dispenser is our new type of LPG dispenser, and it's for 2 nozzle. This nozzle is just for vehicle, but if you want a gas cylinder, you can see. When you want the gas cylinder, that's okay. And this gas cylinder can connect to the LPG filling scale. I will let you check about the LPG filling scale later. To introduce more details. And firstly, let me show you the LPG dispenser firstly. The nozzle is for vehicle and it's with the hose. The hose is 4.5 meter. And if you want more bigger or more longer, that we can do. And the hose can connect to the LPG breakaway valves. The breakaway valves can protect the machines, as I said before. And here is the nozzle holder and the pressure gauge. And also this is for 2 nozzles, but we assembled about 4 display ports in front and the back, each side, and two display board for each side. And the display board is the same as I said before. It's the color have 2 colors, and you can choose. Also have H6 type with the decimal pointing. And the TV, this type is also we do the TV media in here. The TV media you can connect with your cell phone or your computers that you can control it. And the keyboard, you can see this type of keyboard. I said before, we have 2 type of keyboard. One is this type of keyboard. It's for the metal, and another keyboard with the IC card in the fuel dispenser. You can see, and some external functions like the explosion-proof controller, explosion-proof printers, and the emergency button. Also inside, we put the LPG dispenser controller in it to control this inside part. I will open it and show you this inside part. Now you can see this inside part. Because it's for 2 nozzles, so we put the 2 piston flow meter inside and the differential valves for 2, so node valves for 2 and the safety valve for 2, and also one set for LPG separators. You can see the piston flow meter. You can choose the mass flow meter. The mass flow meter we put inside is for DN 15 3/4 inch, and there's you can. But someone will be asked why use the mass flow meter inside, because the piston flow meter, the precision of accuracy is infected by the working conditions, but the mass flow meter is not infected by the humidity, density, viscosity, temperatures, or some different environment, and it can measured by 4 units at the same time, like kilogram, liter, gallon, or mass. So someone will be changed the piston flow meter into the mass flow meter inside. About the mass flow meter, we have DN6 to DN100 size that you choose, and also it's for the different. It can use the different medium also the different temperatures. If you know more details about the mass flow meter, you can leave the message or visit our website www.wdmachine.com to know more details. Okay. Now this type of the LPG dispenser I finished. I will show you about another two types of the LPG dispenser. The appearance. 帮我看一下摄像机。这两台看得见吗？看得见。好。And you can see this our two type filled LPG dispenser. This is also for two nozzle, and this is for single nozzle. You can see the keyboard, the display board keyboard in here is very different, and the nozzle also is the same. The only some functions also the same. The only difference is the appearance. You can see the appearance. This type we called is the B type, and this type is for single nozzle. The nozzle hose, and the pressure gauge, and the display board, keyboard, some internal function like emergency button is also the same. And inside we put all the piston flow meter, flow meters inside, and the basic constructions is also the same. With basic configurations, the piston flow meter, the safety valve, the solenoid valve, differential valves, LPG separator is also the same. And the appearance, you can see the appearance. In our live shows, for the normal is the normal stills with the white painting. But if you want the colorful logos or your colorful colors, or you have your own logos, that we can do for you. You can see. We can do for yours. So just tell us what's the colors or materials, and also we can do the OEM for you. The material is for the normal steels, but if you're interested about the stainless steels, it's okay. We can do the whole type of the stainless steels, or just the 2 column to to do the stainless steels for you. Okay, now the LPG dispenser you can see is almost finished. I said before, the nozzle is this one is for the vehicles, but we have another type of the nozzle is for the gas cylinders. The gas cylinders can connect to the LPG filling scale machines. And what is LPG filling scale machines? I will show you the videos to know more details. Then if you have any questions, please leave message for me. That will answer for you. Okay? Now let me see the video first, and then we will come back.
Hello everyone, nice to meet you. I'm Daisy. Now I introduce this LPG filling scale to you. Using the filling scale, the gas can be filled into the cylinder precisely by weight. The scale not only have a beautiful appearance, but also is useful and safe. It's easy to install and use without complex repair. Let's see it. This is operation panel. This is LCD display. It can display the bottle weight and total weight. This is handle, controls the air valve opening. This is inlet, connect with the pipe. This is outlet. It can connect with air gun or LPG nozzle. This is gun spot. This is wireless module. It's storage falling data and transmitter to the base station. This is scale platform. The max weight is 300 kg and the mini weight is 2 kg. Scale like a simple LPG dispenser. If you want more, you can see our website www.wdmachine.com.
You got me feeling like a Barbie. Find it or shine like a diamond. You got me feeling like a Barbie.
My love, no matter what you do, I'll
So you know more details about the LPG filling scale machines. If you're interested, that you can leave message for me that I will set the details, specifications, and the price. Okay. Now let's come back about the CNG dispenser. This type appearance you can use the CNG dispenser, LPG dispenser, and also for the fuel dispensers. And this type is for the two spot for the CNG dispenser. One is for the normal spot. You can see this is normal spot, and another is for the NGV spot. NGV spot, and you can use the two different. And you can use the two different types for this spot, or you can use the same spot, just according your requirement. And the display board, the keyboard is the same as the fuel dispenser, LPG dispenser. Also have the extra functions like the emergency buttons. Inside we put the LPG, the CNG dispenser controller to control the flow meters. Let's open it and show you. You can see the inside, including the mass flow meter, the differential valves, the pipeline, and the strainers. You can see, and this is for the two spots for the CNG dispenser. So we put the two pieces mass flow meter inside, and the mass flow meter is the DM15 3/4 inch, and it can connect three pressure line. The three pressure line, including the high pressure line, low pressure line, and the medium pressure line. You can choose only for one pressure line, or two pressure line, or three pressure line. But if you only one pressure line, that means you want only the high pressure line. But if you want two pressure line, that means you want the high pressure line and the low pressure line. The three pressure line, I said before, is high pressure, medium pressure, and low pressure lines. Just tell us how many pressure lines that you want us that we can do for you. The CNG dispenser, can working at very cold, very cold weathers or the environment. Like here have your local voltage arrived at -65 degrees centigrade. It's okay. It can still working. So don't worry, because the mass flow meter and all the material stainless, all the material is stainless steels, and it can insist about -200 degrees centigrade to +200 degrees centigrade. So you can use it very safety. And also about the CNG dispenser, LPG dispenser, fuel dispensers, we all have the certificate to improve the qualities and the guarantee period for 1 year. So if you buy our products, when you have some questions or the problems, that you can let me know. We always online and reply for you as soon as possible. Okay, now this CNG dispenser is almost finished. We have another type fuel dispenser, but not in our lab shows. I want to follow me my cameras. I want to show you about the one kind of fuel dispenser. We call it is a portable fuel dispenser. It's very portable. Means that you can use the contract. You can install it with the cars, and it can run from anywhere. So let's see the videos, and let's follow my cameras to our workshops. Then I will show you this type fuel dispenser and introduce more details. Now come on. Okay, now you can see this type is our portable fuel dispenser, and it's for two nozzles, and it's the tank. The tank we supply is for 1,000 liter. 1,000 liter for each tank. One tank is 5 liter, and so two tank together is 1,000 liter. You can choose the colors. You can choose the color. This is the tank, and it's filling the oil or the diesel. Just you wonders. You can see the color. The color we supply is the normal painting with the white with the color is the white painting with the normal stills. You can see the nozzle. I said before is for the automatic nozzle is the same as the other fuel dispensers. And this is for two products. One is for gasoline and another is for diesel. And these two parts, one is the air valve and another is the vent valves. And you can see these two nozzles with two keyboard, two display board, two totalizers, and two emergency buttons. You can see the nozzle with the hose with the brink over valves. The hose we supply is 4.5 meters. If you want the more longer hose, that it's okay. Now I want to open it and show you inside, because this one is not finished one, so the inside is not complete. But the flow meter, and the motor. The main part inside, you can see the flow meter. I said before, the discharge per revolutions is 5 to 65 liter per minute, and the accuracy is for the minus or plus 0.2%. The pump. This is the motor. You can see this is a pump. Sorry, this is a pump. You can see this is the holder, and with the keyboard, the main board. You can see the nozzle color. You can choose which colors you want. We have so many colors like yellow, blue, red, white, or the black. Just tell us which color you want. Now let me see the whole machines. I will circle around these machines and to show you whole machines what it looks like. You can see. Okay, now you can see in our workshop we have another kind of types fuel dispenser. It's the special order from our customers. You see, it's for two nozzles and the pump, flow meter, the controller inside, and this type of fuel dispenser you can with the LED lamp or without LED lamp. You can according your requirement. See, the color is orange one. You can see it's our customer customized. And this is a CNG dispenser. You can see the CNG dispenser. The CNG dispensers. And this is our LPG mini skid. The LPG mini skid. And the LPG mini skid inside we put is the mass flow meter inside, and the dimension is for 25. The size is for 1 inch. And if you're interested about LPG mini skid, it's okay. Please leave a message or visit our website. In our website, we will show you details detailed specifications how to use it and how to work it. And you can see this is another type of the AdBlue dispenser. This is our another AdBlue transform pump with the tank. I said before. Okay, now you can see. Okay, now this is our workshop. Now let's come back our live shows and to our live shows. Okay, welcome back our live shows, and you can see our workshop and the live shows. I will repeat again. If you come and visit our website or come to our live shows, you can get so many gifts, benefits, or coupons that when you buy our products, you can use it. In our live shows during the 128 fair cartons, we have a big discount price for you. so don't miss it. Okay, now my live show is almost finished, but don't worry if you missed my live shows. We have another time live shows at 3 p.m. At 3 p.m. this afternoon in Beijing time. So if you're interested, please come in and enjoy us. And the next live show we will introduce about the fuel dispenser parts and other dispenser parts for you. Okay, now my live show is most finished, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.